Have you ever wanted to control your decorations or props with a remote or something that you could activate it when you wanted to set the perfect scare or anything like that, but thought it was too complicated? Well, join me today and I'll show you just how easy it is. Come on. So this is going to be our test subject for this video. Actually, I've got two of them here. Most of your props and stuff, from what me and my wife have gathered, have this little try me button at the stores. You know, you press it, it turns it on so you get to see what it does. That makes this so much easier. So let's dig in. So I've got one already kind of mocked up here. You can see that's where the try me button plugged in. I've cut the button in half. This is the little wireless relay. I'll leave a link in the description. It's like 10 bucks on Amazon or something. It says it's a 12 volt, requires a 12 volt source. I've been able to run it with a 9 volt battery. I've also found a power adapter that output 12 volts 1 amp that worked. What I recommend for ease of portability in that is just get you one of these. I have a link for it. You put AA batteries in it. It's got a nice on and off button where if you hook it straight up to a 9 volt battery, there's like this, there's no on and off. You could wire a switch in, but we're going to keep it simple. So on this particular model, the first two terminals where the black and red wire are is for your positive negative for your power source, whether it's 9 volt battery, the AA's, whatever you want. And then the next three are your terminals to control it. The first one is on this one is labeled as NO, which is normally open. The middle one is COM for common, and the last one is NC for normally closed. This relay can also do a lot of different things. It's set for momentary, it can do toggle, it can do some other things. For this video, we're not going to go into it because almost all of them you can use them momentary. Basically means when you click, it turns it on, and when you click again, it turns it off. It's just a momentary latch. You can see on the back where it has them labeled. Basically, keep it simple. First two, power source, negative, positive, and then for any of the trime's you can play around and stuff. Normally open and the comms, all you need is it does not matter which cable goes where. Once you've got your power source on, this one comes with a little keychain. You hit A, turn it off. That is all there is to it. It's simple. You can do this in about 5 minutes. You can order a bunch of these, and they all on this one they all run the same megahertz. So if you want to hook a bunch of things up and they all kick on at the same time, you can control it all with just this one key fob. Makes it simple, great. We're using them this year for our horses. I've got one of these hooked up to our fog machine, so that I can control the fog in the coffin. So I can hold down A, it'll release the fog in our coffin, and when I let off, you know, the fog will stop blowing smoke inside the coffin and everything. 10 bucks. It's a cheap little thing. Once you get, you know, used to playing around with this and hooking them up, you know, freight props and some of the monster props, they have other ones that can do up to 10, 16. You know, you can get a little bit more advanced. But for us this year, this is what I'm starting with. The range on it's great. For 10 bucks, I've got 2 of these now, and I just ordered 2 more to be able to control everything that we want for this year. Well, I hope you liked that little video. Me and my wife, we love doing this. We just do it on the side. You know, we want to keep things simple. We want to keep things cheap. We don't, you know, we're not rich or anything, but we love doing this. So, you know, little things like this that adds that little extra spectacular to your yard setup. Your neighbors will love it. Things like this make you, think you're a magic man or a magician or something like that. So, we hope you enjoy this video. Leave comments, give us a thumbs up if you don't mind. We love to hear from you guys. And until the next video, happy hunting. See you guys.